Women Justice Forum Wolongkomaji aro atumpen patir piponsi Wolongkomaji ahithialong arta kawipen penan kedolapen piso KN chiroktok amai kibipon Karbi Anglong arlo akimi SAS company Kangpu Birta keme Hirjir ke toklapen ki hiraning kyang atoma phan isi birta keme EPLM pachanang puma thapen Karbi Anglong Tourism Department pen patir piponsi kibangji there chekloni phaikri ECR ni ke chengsia phong hirjir ki hir kache pate jaimek padopon po
Bangso kache patelong ke haya bang phu bang phi atum kelong ponji anong elake ke chengsi bangke suri thongkep lapen first runners up bangke suri ingkoi second runners up bangke suri kep
Nalito may hirjir ke deng ponjir ni lake there ni phai isi pen ni phai troxy an lapen ke tok nang je hirjira thepi lake botor kikor Tangde nalito may hirjir ki hira video che record ra Karbi Anglong Tourism Department official WhatsApp number 9387581012 along lo ignon
Ang ton ben kachini jiaphan 936549245 lapen 936551891 along home rignon
Kardong pini prime time birta long pen lisami mirin hansepi pini birtang ton pen arjuponi tha Arta kawi pen penan kidola pen piso KN pen a job law and order la pen government atum kinep kang nang jumput anpindo labang so putha kamatha RDGP damsi Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum Wolongkomaji aro pen chepatre piponsi Wolongkomaji ahithialong chiroktok amai padoponlo Pini thereponi pioneer kebani pirthe adang sorlo tuma phan ke panongar ni pachitondun si Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum atuma hin pen patir piponsi Wolongkomaji along chiroktok amai dengponlo Labang so long serdi huna song bodo asong lapen prick jam hampang asong atum chitong dunsi child marriage aputhak awareness mate arta kawi atum piso KN penan kido puthak chiroktok amai padupon Bangso amai long jesamet kachithan ponke arta kawi pen penan kido lapen piso KN atum ingtonangpo jongsi arta awi pin pen penan kido piso KN polote kang tinga to warana thusi kidamlo Athe apor pepen oso chopathe ponke a ok apran kahinota dopola pen kaching thur dunji anathu busitame akisung dokokpo Lasikidam tanganing kan surihini ra inkora troganing kan government pen prohibitions of child marriage act surihini ra trok pangdak ponlo labang so pangdak tang aron karkana bang phuatuma phad hem kang samsitame thaponang koklo lasila hai pen chireponang ji busi than pachini pon Lapen Karbi atum jutang apindeng kaching thangnang ji aron sitami chithan padupon La solong penando de pen koson api risi ching thangnang ji ma lapen piso ende pen koson api risi ching thang ponang ji ma lapen risonim so atum pusitami koson api risi ching thang ponang ji ma puta chithan pon
Atau bosannya jai semua bah puasa Indonesia haba jai bah itu hotananggo dengan itu kan mana hendak membangun di bisa haba jai bah nopor sungsar dari aku bung desa langga undai gedar man hendak dengar kota-kota itu mudang sekian hendak hanya kau no bisa kalian dong bekol susana hendak hanya undai bisa ini kaya undai bisa haba jai kau dong hotananggo itu kan fungsi jalan ada hangai ji sona usah langkai undai bisa Januari 2020
si PDR ni labang so program pi pathi ke la puhen lo itum soarlo tum amhang ke thegar ni lo soarlo tum katalon na ni lo la si lam thi lai ta thekte la si la awareness ko putha ke mane 16 years 17 years atum pinan suku kedo piso some ke en si la so putha cherok do kamai kedo thei pan idi so Karbi khai tum same kapen ke kapre kajati tum same la pen ke lihin tengge wang atum istame alang tum same nang sitong ke pot kardom alang tum same kardom pa jelo nasi mithang asep kitu thai pan
tuluni pen dir chuna rongpi Karbiang Long Live. Karbiang Long ari soi jang atum tame peer thelong kapaprang tunang thek nang plang bom tanglo la sonsi communication skill anathu kang thur ponji aphan pura akimi speak about sky mate SAS company kangpu SAS company CEO Kuntal Chakraborty penche patyopi ponsi bangso Karbiang Long alo loki charli amu maratung aphan radang lo chingki jithan anathu kapaprang dun thek je aphan matha ponsi bangso SAS company ingpu ponlo Karbiang Long ahempi di phurong sopiarlo school ke do analong principal headmaster atumaphan chingki chingwai damsi loke charli ahin pen akaprek ahin anathu ke paching thur ponji aphan matha ponsi SAS company ingpu ponlo ingdeng isi pen ingdeng trok anaphan group A ingdeng trok si pen ingdeng krehini ke charli atumaphan group B thak ponsi communication skill anat kapaprang ji aphan bor iponlo labang solong loki charli bom amu maratum amen kache thabdun pen ke charli dunji aphansi pachini amen kache thabdunji aphansi ka pharu ke thompusi pachini pon bangso SAS company along.
Right? So the first motto of education is to create, is to make students aware so that they can create, right? Hetu bostu one eye. We have set a certain rule. Itya ki hoye so ma apna koe so what's the reality because I have some scene, right? 10th loke there is a hype. More lola 10 to 1%, 12 loke at a hype ase, right? 12. Then after degree the students don't know what they are doing. Hekane ma kolu right example to dilu. People used to come first, second in my group, they're still unemployed. So what does it say about our education system? And tetia eta notun kiba eta ulaise sobe eta competitive exams so prepare kore. Why don't we start creating on our own? What's the most powerful country in the world? USA. What's the most number one country when it comes to entrepreneurs and startups? USA. In India, which is the number one city? Bangalore. What's the number one city in according to startup? Bangalore. So this is what I'm trying to explain you. So the number of startups means more development, more people will come here, and Assam will able to not just get jobs to the students over here, but also give employment to the students from all across the northern part.
News Desk report, Karbiang Long Live. A fashion show like never before conducting for the first time in Dipu, the headquarters of Karbiang Long, a contest for the Fashion Icon 2023. Kalpana Devi presents Fashion Icon 2023.
Ki Khobor Assam, I'm Aradhana Sharma from MTV Splitsvilla Season 12 and I'm here to give you all an exciting news that for the very first time a beauty contest is going to be held in a beautiful place, Tifu.
A beauty pageant like never before categorized include Mr. and Miss, Kids, Teen, Misses and Trans. Hosting for the first time ever at Dipu town. Registration opened and the registration fee per contestant is only 1,200 rupees. Grooming dates are scheduled on 26th and 27th of March and the grand finale of the Fashion Icon 2023 would be held on 28th of March 2023. For more information, contact 70025 89558 60029 70261. Lakhain korapli Diopani MAC constituency angkang Bornir Japan kilometer near Cape An Kahilo Forest Reserve habit ajo pang thek the atum meke kai chok ajok habit merok kecho phere mimi anpin Kidam tang thereponi phai phorni Diopani constituency angkang sangti lang swadung chungajan parong kedai kidoing namajo komani ningkelang no pang thek the bang phu meke kai tekang chok ajok te bok terayarong araratum ka phere mahuprong anpinlo Athe hala somalom te bok terai rong do la pen penang an read la pen bari hai huido seta kopai ki me habira bang babi ke kreng o kalilanga potsi joklo puta chini dun la pen penang an atung ke kapre abidi pen bagan hai huya bang chepa jok tun lo seta la pusona sai lang no bang ke majok seta claim nang ni pusi penang an atung pen ning chepon Athe non ke kopai ki me jok rong ru bagan hai hui ke joklo setam mo kopai ki lang no huda so nang mandet pulote laki kijut kokji ang anglo lasima jok sitame monon phi lapusona sai ki claim klede ji aphan kachuningri padupon lapen lapusona sai lang no innam rai kom sai khia tumta kilang charidun asonte mesenji buta pachini thu Bukajan ben anantirang Karbiang Long Live. Assam Sarkar hin pen akimang laki drugs free Assam pu pen ajok raikom sai khia tum pen un an pen rakio hormu ke cho tum pen ke dang lok ke pon ke wana tuma phan pin nang an nep ing nang pon lu bonda ke pon kang hula pen ki cho tum setami non pu anta ki thut mate bang sora ki hormu ke pon ke wan la pen ki cho kachi o amatsi avilang laso kachi o kavedera jok arniwang thak thak si raikom sai khia tum pen kinep kang nang do bom lo lason si khatkhati police station ke parlo khatkhatia long kedam tang there ni phai truck sia ni heroin kinep long birta ke long pona tengki kedam tang apor hut pen joy pen birta ke long a jok raikom sai khi hin pen ada por phai sir kebra achitim apor malom kiri tarli basai kedeng hut inu da bang pholong pen plastic duma hom pen ke thap pen hom cricket hom hon themi mi heroin kinep pon long lo bang so hut heroin along kachir abduna bang pu inod aphan nep ingnang pon cheklo kaching nang chek abang pho men laki Nagaland State Longling District saksi yang chin hawar ke do lokba sopo yong yu pusi pangthek pon bokajan pen anante rang karbieng long live tangte pini karbi prime time berta ki lapansi kang ton paniklo